In today's episode of our Photoshop, I want to walk you through how you can design this Happy New Month social media flyer in Photoshop. I will guide you step by step how I do this in Photoshop, how I put the image and all the elements together done like this in Photoshop. Without wasting too much of our time, let's head over to we want to create our new project. In this particular one, I'm using 4 by 5 inches. Let's name our project. So resolution 300, RGB color, all settings like this can leave it. Let's create our project. So this is how your interface will look like. The next one is to head over to adjustment and click on the solid color. So we are using white for it in this particular one today. The next one in this particular tutorial today is to head over to our rectangle. So I will just draw my rectangle like this. So I will click OK. So I can arrange it very well. I'll hold my shift to make it a little bit up like this. So I did not like the gradient that we were trying to use here. The next thing is to double click again. So I can change my angle like this. So let me show you the color code that I use for this. The first color code by the left. This is the first color code that I use. I'll click OK. The second color code by the right. So this is the second color code by the right. I'll click OK as well. So I'll click OK. So we can follow all the settings like this. I'll just click OK as well. I think I like it like this. The next one is to head over to our rectangle again. We want to put it at the top. You understand what I want to achieve in this particular. So in this particular one is we want to. I'll click here like this. I can click outside. So I can make this lap. So I'm not using this particular color. So let me show you what I achieved here. So you are still in the same page. I will double click here like this. So we can see I click on the level and M box. You can follow this setting. The level and M box I use in the size I use 27. So I use depth is 56 and then I use a technical smooth and inner behavior. That is what I use in this particular one. In the gradient one, what I use is I use like, let me show you. So you can see this is the color code. You'll be checking all the color code will be popping on your screen. So I'll be showing you step all the color code that I use, which will be shown on your screen here. Just follow along. So I will show you the last one. You can see this is the last color code. You can try as well. I'll click OK again. You can follow these settings here. I'll click OK. Finally, we are already set down one. I will just arrange my interface very well. The next thing is to, I think we have done that part again. The next thing in this particular one is to head over to our resources. Let me bring this building. So I will just put it at the top here like this. I will just make it fit in very well. The next thing is to just bring it down. Yeah, so I can make it slap like this. I think I like it like this. That is really cool for me. I think we are done that part. So the next step is to head over to our resources again and bring this flower. I'll just drop this flower. I'll put it down like this. So I think it's okay for me like this. After we've done that part, the next thing is to write our text. Head over to our text, which is that I'll change this color. I can change this to white. I'll click OK on the character, which is I want to use this particular font. Bricolage. So the font that I'm using in this tutorial will be showing on your screen. So just follow along. So the next thing is to write the text that we want to put there. So I'll arrange it very well. Just put it like this. I'll duplicate it by holding my Alt. So I'll write the second text. I'll click OK. So I'll duplicate it as well again, which is the last text, which is the August. I'll click OK as well. So the next thing to do here is just hold your shift just to arrange this as well. So just put it here. So I can make it bold a little bit, or I can reduce it. Let's reduce it like this. And reduce it like this. Yeah. So the next step is I'll click OK. So the next format to do here is I'll just reduce this opacity. I'll click on the 33. I'll click OK. So I'll do the same as well as August too. Finally, we have done that part. The next step is to do this one is to head over to our text again. I will just write the happy new month. Here. The next step is to hold your Alt again to duplicate this text. So I'll just write new, click OK. So I will use the same format again by holding my Alt. So the next thing to do here is just to align. I want to align the text. The next thing is to do here is to reduce it a little bit. I'll just position it here like this. I think it's okay. I'll click OK. So after we done that part, the next one is to head over to our resources and bring this model image that we want to use. So I'll position my model image very well to fit in. I'll click OK. The next one is to click on the Control A on your keyboard. We want us to align it. Should be aligned very well. I'll click on Control D to select. So you can see after we bring it, if you want to know how you can generate this your image, so go and watch this particular video that's pumping on the screen. So go and watch the tutorial. So this tutorial is telling about how you can generate image from your social media platform. So thank you very much. The next thing is to put the shadow so that it will be more realistic. Next thing is to create a new layer. So I will just click on my program color like this. I will turn this to white and black. I'll click OK. So I'll head over to my brush. So let me show you. I'm using soft brown brush. So let your hardness should be 0 and let your size should be like this. So I'll just click the outside here like this. I think the icon of the brush is too much. I can reduce my brush, which is I'm pressing my bracket to do this as well. Next one is you just put the shadow here. I'll put the shadow here as well. I think that is really cool for me. The next thing is to hold your shift to make it align it very well. Don't worry, you can see it, which is really good. I can click OK. The next thing you can see, the shadow is very too much in this. One thing I will just do is I will just click on layer mask. So I just want to clear some part. Head over to my brush. Let your foreground color should be black. So just clear some parts here like this. She's showing that sit on something. After we done that part, again, the next thing is to create a new layer, yellow, which is I want to put on the background. Don't worry. Click on the yellow. I'll click OK. So the next thing is head over to our gradient tools. I'll click on this guy. I'll click on the basic. So I will let my foreground to be transparent. I'll click on the middle here like this. So I can click the outside. So the next step is to just drift it very well. I'll just drag it. You can see this is what I'm going to achieve like this. So after we've done that, so we just click on this guy, make it go up a little bit. I think it's really cool for me. I can click the outside here like this. So the next thing is to reduce the opacity. I want to reduce the opacity here like this. I'm using until I satisfy what I want to achieve. I think that is okay. So this is how I achieved this happy new month social media plan in Photoshop. So you achieved a lot in this tutorial again. Like the video, subscribe for more Photoshop tutorial, turn on the notification bell and share with your fellow designer. So thank you everybody. Happy new month. Bye for now.